Fifth grade, getting ready for sixth grade. Lesson 4, model percent, unlock the problem. Percent means per 100 or out of 100. So when you find percent, you're finding a part of 100. 60%, for example, means 60 out of 100. You can write percents using the percent symbol. So 60% is written as 60 with the percent sign. Okay, so what number is always compared in a percent?
100.
100. Name the percent that is shaded. So there's 5 columns and then there's 3 squares of the next column. So there's 50 plus 3, which equals 53 out of 100, or 53% is shaded. Example 2, name the percent that is not shaded. So there are 4 columns not shaded and 7 squares of the next column that aren't shaded. So 40 plus 7 equals 47 out of 100, or 47% is not shaded. Try this. Use the number line. Tell what these percents mean. So here we have 0%, 0 out of 100. 50 out of 100 would be 50%, and 1 out of 100 out of 100 would be 100. So we said 0% means 0 out of 100. 50% means 100, or half of the total. 100% means
100
out of 100, or all of the total. Share and show. Use the diagram to write the percent. How many whole columns and single squares are shaded? So how many whole columns?
7.
So 7 columns. And then how many squares are also shaded?
4.
4 single squares. So what percent is shaded? 74%. Okay, and then what percent is unshaded then? So what would be 100 minus 74? 26. So 26%. Shade the gray to show the percent. So they want 20%. So how many columns would I shade? 2. %. How many columns would I shade?
8.
8. And then how many little squares? 6. Okay, so you guys are going to use on your own. So they want to know about the light shading, dark shading, not shaded on each one of those as a percent. Okay, and then on 12 through 14, it says write the closest benchmark for the percent. Okay, so what they mean is the closest tens. Okay, so for example, if I did 48, what would be the closest percent for that? 50%. Okay, all right. Okay, so you guys should have done 6 through 14 with your partners. Then problem solving. Number 15. In an election between Warren and Jorge, Warren declared victory because he received 58% of the vote. Is he correct? So, yes, because 58% is what? Is more than half. And Jorge would have have only received 42%.